So these are my two positives, which have now faded quite a bit, but you'll see there's a line on the C and the T. So if you get a line on the T and the C, that means you're positive. If it's line only on the C, you are negative. And if you get no lines at all, then you have done the test wrong, basically. All right, so in this test kit, you get a nice little tube with some liquid inside it. You get your little stick to put up your nose and your mouth, and then you get the actual test itself. So hopefully this will either not put you off from doing one in the future. I know a lot of people out there are like terrified of them because they think it's gonna be painful, but it isn't that bad, I promise. Maybe I'm just used to it, or I'm just used to it, I don't know. I'll try not to make this too graphic. I'll try to keep it quite simple and informational. So this is the thing that goes down your throat and up your nose. So first off, it needs to go to the back of your throat. I won't show you me doing this too cleanly. I'll go do it in a mirror. But basically this has to go to the back of your throat and you have to rub the back of your throat a couple of times. Like, you put in there for like 4 seconds, basically. And yeah, you'll probably end up gagging. So ignore that if I just start gagging over here. Okay, and then next up, it has to go up both nostrils while it goes in opposed to up, which is really weird. So like, if I can do it real quick. So yeah, one nostril done. And you have to put the same thing in the other nostril. Okay, now is that done? You take this lid off, you put this in here with all your lovely boogers on it, spin it around in the fluid at the bottom, make sure it's all in there, make sure it's present, whatever's in there is going to be present on it. And obviously I'm not a doctor, so please don't take my word as gospel. I was doing it based on instructions that I've got. And then you put the lid on, so there you have the remainder of the stick in there, and then you're going to unscrew the top part, and you put 3 drops on. You put 3 drops on this bit here, and then it will just start basically, I don't know, work out the result. So now you'll see this will start going, and we wait now. And we pray. I'm not gonna lie, this is looking pretty positive, and by positive I mean it's looking like it's gonna be negative. So you'll see, look, those T lines lit up, and they lit up straight away. Where this time, I feel like it's really faint. You can really see a really faint line on T. But before, they were so, it went like so red so quickly. But this is now faded, because it's a week old. You can just about see a T line, right? You can just about see it. All right, it's been 5 minutes, and as you can see, look, it's starting to get back to positive now. The difference is though, with these two, like I said before, that T line was, I don't know what the word is, illuminated? Is it just, it was just prevalent, it was showing much quicker and much more like bold than this one. So I'm hoping that's promising, I don't know.